Dear students, and welcome to the video class of the chapter Integral Calculus. It is my second lecture of the Integral Calculus. Before that, I want to recall the previous concept. What are the previous concepts? We discussed in previous class what is types of integration, that is indefinite integration, definite integration, okay, and what is definition of integration. It is the reverse process of derivative. It is also known as antiderivative or integration or primitive, okay. So, and some standard formulae are discussed for some standard formulae and some problems discussed in the previous class. Now, today I am going to discuss some problems based on fundamental formula, that is standard formula. Okay, some problems based on standard formula. Now let's see the problems and we will work out one by one. Integrate. These are 10 questions we have to integrate. 10 questions we have to integrate. So first answers. Number one question, answer for number one question, that is integration dx by cos square x. 1 by cos square x means what? Sec square x. So this is equal to sec square x dx. What is in the formula for integration of sec square x? Sec square x कार डेरिवेटिव sec square x होची, tan x रो डेरिवेटिव sec square x होची. So sec square x रो इंटीग्रेशन होची tan x. This is tan x plus c. This is question number 1, and answer number 2. This is 2. Integration of 2 cos x by 1 minus cos square x dx. 1 minus cos square x means what? 1 minus cos square x means what? 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x means sin square x. Sin square x. So 2 टा constant आगो नहीं भी रहिला cos x sin square x अच्छी गोटा sin तल रखी आ गोटे 1 by sin x करबी. तो एटा हबो that is equal to 2 into cos by sin cot x 1 by sin cosec x into dx, that is equal to into integration of formula. This is formula, integration of cosec x into cot x minus cot x. Cot x रो डेरिवेटिव होची minus cosec into cot. So minus cosec into cot integration of cot. So cosec cot x into cosec x formula integration of cot x into cosec x. What is formula? The formula is integration of cot x into cosec x is minus cot x. So what is integration of cosec and cos? What is integration formula? Cosec of cosec x into cot x कार derivative of cosec x. What is derivative of cosec x? Minus cosec x into cot x. Okay. So cot x into cosec x integration habo minus cosec x. So this is minus cosec x plus c. Minus cosec x plus c. So it is equal to what? Minus 2 cosec x plus c. So this is answer number 2, and this is question answer number 1, and last question now 3. For 3, what is here integration इंटीग्रेशन sin स्क्वायर x by 1 प्लस cos x ओके u by v तो फॉर्मूला किसी नहीं तो या कौन करवा आम sin स्क्वायर x को ब्रेक कर दियो 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर x 1 माइनस cos स्क्वायर x by 1 प्लस cos x इंटू डी एक्स एटा को ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करो तो कितना पड़ी 1 माइनस cos x इंटू 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So 1 plus cos x goes cancel and here 1 minus cos x ds. अच्छा 1 रो इंटीग्रेशन केते 1 रो इंटीग्रेशन होची x माइनस cosec x रो इंटीग्रेशन cosec x रो इंटीग्रेशन sin x sin x integration minus cos x cos x integration this is cos x integration minus sin x okay so derivative integration of sin x minus cos x and integration of cos x sin x so integration of cos x means what sin x plus c derivative of sin x cos x integration sin x cos x रो डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin x तो माइनस sin x रो इंटीग्रेशन होची cos x तो sin x रो इंटीग्रेशन हो माइनस cos x ओके तो बट इट cos x रो इंटीग्रेशन sin x होला तो दिस इज 3 एंड व्हाट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 कंप्लीट नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नाउ क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 this is question number 4 cos 2x by sin x plus cos x cos 2x by sin x plus cos x एटा मते कैंसिल करियो पड़े कोन करबी तो आमे जानि नो cos 2x is equal to what cos square x minus sin square x divided by this is sin x plus cos x ds this is a square minus b square formula so cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x divided by sin x plus cos x integration dx so this term goes this cancel so here cos x minus sin x this is cos x minus sin x into dx what is integration of cos x integration of cos x means sin x minus here minus put here minus sign present so minus so integration of sin x what is integration of sin x that is minus cos x plus c so this is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c this is answer sin x plus cos x plus c okay now answer for question number 4 complete question number 5 answer for question number 5 answer for question number 5 question number 5 here cos 4th x integration cos 4th x minus sin 4th x divided by cos x minus sin x dx this is question number 5 and we can apply here cos square x whole square okay whole square cos square x whole square minus sin square x whole square divided by cos x minus sin x into dx okay then this is equal to what a square minus b square so here cos square x plus sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x minus sin x cos x minus sin x integration dx so sin square x cos square x plus sin square x plus cos square x 1 is equal to 1 cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1 so this is here cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos x minus sin x into dx. So this is equal to what? Cos x plus sin x, this is sin, okay, cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x divided by cos x minus sin x whole integration. So cos x minus sin x cancel, remaining here integration cos x plus sin x dx. So what is integration of cos x? Integration of cos x is equal to sin x. What is integration of sin x? Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. This is answer. This is question number 5 complete. Then question number 6. Then question number 6. Now answer of question number 6. Question number 6. So integration is integration of cos 2x by sin square x into cos square x. एटा को आमे कौन आइडिया कौन ना आमे cos sin square cos square तले डिवाइड होछि आकु कैंसिल करियो न केमिति कले फार्मूला हो सेटा हला इंपोर्टेंट जदि cos 2x फार्मूला cos square x minus sin square x करिबा देन सेपरेट करिबा इजी हे जोर नहीं तो cos 2x रो फार्मूला कोन अछि cos square x minus sin square x देन आमे कोन करिबा सेपरेट करिबा सेपरेट. सो दिस इज इंटीग्रेशन cos square x minus sin square x divide by sin square x into cos square x ds. एटा को सेपरेट कर दियो सेपरेट तो कौन आसीबो cos square x by sin square x into cos square x, okay, cos square x minus sin square x divided by sin square x into cos square x bracket close integration dx. तो cos square x एटी cos square x अच्छी ना नहीं, this is cos square x, so this term cancel and this sin square cancel, okay. So remaining here 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x means what? 1 by sin square x means cosec square x. Cosec square x. 1 by cos square x means sec square x. Sec square x ds. Okay. तो कार डेरिवेटिव cosec square x होची cot रो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ what? डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin cos x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos minus sin x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ tan x sec square x. तो sec square x इंटीग्रेशन tan x होबो, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cot x minus cosec square x. So cosec square integration केता होबो minus cot x. So this is equal to minus एटा फार्मूला बाहर करियो minus cot x and this is equal डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sec square x tan x. Sorry, integration of sec square x tan x. असी डेरिवेटिव ऑफ कार डेरिवेटिव sec square x होछ, tan x रो डेरिवेटिव sec square x होछ. So sec square रो इंटीग्रेशन हबो tan x. Okay, this is answer of question number 6. 6 is over. Now question number 7. Now question number 7. Then answer of question number 7. Question number 7. What is question number 7? That is integration of a sin square x plus b cos square x divided by now this is question number 7. Its answer is a sin square x plus b cos square x divided by sin square 2x. एटा मते इजी क्वेश्चन किछि नै sin 2x फॉर्मूला पके कि ताको सेपरेट कर दा कथा. तो कोन होबेडी ना a sin square x plus b cos square x divided by 2 sin x into cos x whole square अच्छी तो इंटीग्रेशन देली dx लिखली. ओके, देन एटा को केते हबो एटा केले कहले a sin square x देखो a sin square x divide by what is this 2 square 4 sin square x into cos square x integration dx plus b अच्छी एटा कांस्टेंट आगो नहीं जीवा ओके b टा अच्छी b बाहर को नहीं जीवा cos square x डिवाइड बाय 2 स्क्वायर हला 4 sin square x into cos square x into dx देखो ये sin square x कैंसिल हला ओके cos square x कैंसिल हैला तो रहला इंटीग्रेशन a by 4 constant 4 टागु नेली 1 by cos square means sec square x okay 1 by cos square means sec square x plus b by 4 1 by sin square means cosec square x ds तो a by 4 what is integration of sec square x integration of sec square x means tan x plus b by 4 what is integration of cosec square x cosec square x reduction minus cot x plus c so this is equal to a by 4 tan x minus b by 4 cot x plus c this is answer now this is question number 7 is completed now question number 8 then question number 8 okay so what is the question number this is question number 8 tan x plus cot x whole square integration of tan x plus cot x whole square dx apply a plus b whole square formula tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 into tan x into cot x dx so tan square x here tan square x this is tan square x integration dx and cot square x integration dx tan x into cot x this is 1 tan x into cot x this is 1 so 2 into dx because tan x into cot x is 1 okay so this is 2 into 1 2 ds so this is equal to अच्छा tan square x फार्मूला अछि कि हम फार्मूला लिस्ट रे tan square x फार्मूला नाही त कोन अछि sec square अछि cot square x फार्मूला अछि कि नाही कोन अछि cosec square रे फार्मूला अछि तो tan square x को हमें sec square x फॉर्म रे ब्रेक करिबा तो tan square x means what sec square x minus 1 into dx and ये होची कोन cot square x means cot square this is गोटे इंटीग्रेशन लिखि देथिया बेटर हवा हमरो होल ds लिखि देथिबा ओके सो tan square x होची sec square x minus 1 and cot square x होची गोटे मु लिखि दोची only sec square x cot square x this is tan square x cot square x 2 into tan x into cot x that is 2 into ds এটা লিখলে कैंसिल हे होची so sec square x minus 1 this is equal to cosec square x minus 1 and this is equal to 2 dx এটা इजीली कैंसिल हे जो तो सेपरेट कोनी तो रहला केते sec square x a 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 कैंसिल ds रहला तापरे रहला cosec square x dx तो sec square इंटीग्रेशन कोन होची sec square इंटीग्रेशन होची tan x cosec square इंटीग्रेशन होची minus cot x clear plus c this is answer of question number 8 now question number 9 answer of question number 9 answer of question number 9 this is equal to integration 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx formula अच्छी हमरो 1 minus cos 2x ର formula होची this is dx not 2x this is dx formula होची 1 minus cos 2x ए फॉर्मूला जाक मन रखा पड़ो देख 1 माइनस cos 2x इज इक्वल टू 2 sin square x 1 प्लस cos 2x इज इक्वल टू 2 cos square x ये सब फॉर्मूला मन रखा पड़ो 1 माइनस cos 2s इज इक्वल टू 2 sin square x 1 प्लस cos 2s इज इक्वल टू 2 cos square x ये फॉर्मूला ये अप्लाई करो तो केते इंटीग्रेशन 2 sin square x बाई 2 cos square x dx 2 कैंसल है तो इंटीग्रेशन tan square x रो इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला आम डायरेक्ट जानना ताकू sec स्क्वायर को कन्वर्ट करिया पड़ो सो कौन आसो ना इंटीग्रेशन sec स्क्वायर x माइनस 1 इंटू dx sec स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेशन होची tan x 1 रो इंटीग्रेशन होची x plus c. This is question number 9 and now question number 10. Now question number 10. Answer of question number 10. This is important, very important. Question number 10. So sec square x into cos square x dx. So sec square x means what? Sec square x means 1 by cos square x 1 by sin square x dx. So this is equal to 1 by integration cos square x into sin square x dx. तो 1 बदल रे cos square x plus sin square x लिखा तापर सेपरेट कले ही गला कौन हम 1 बदल रे जो 1 अच्छी ए 1 बदल रे sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx एबे सेपरेट करो तो sin square x by sin square x into cos square x ओके dx plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. तो sin square कैंसिल हला sin square कैंसिल हला cos square कैंसिल हला cos square कैंसिल हला ठी 1 by cos square means sec square x 1 by sin square x means cosec square x dx. तो sec square इंटीग्रेशन होची tan x cosec square इंटीग्रेशन होची minus cot x plus c. This is answer. These are the answers of 10 questions. Now another 10 questions. We will discuss another 10 questions. Now another 10 questions. Answer of question number 11. Okay. Answer of question number 11. A sin q x plus b cos q x divided by sin square x into cos square x एटा कौन कर सेपरेट कले कैंसिल हो गोटे sin square एटा cos square गोटे कैंसिल हो सो एटा कन्स्टाट आगो नेबा ये हम sin q x डिवाइड by sin square x into cos square x dx प्लस बीटा कन्स्टाट आगे रखा cos q x डिवाइड by sin square x into cos square x ओके dx. तो sin square गोटे कैंसिल हम a into sin x by cos square x dx प्लस b into गोटे cos square cos q अच्छी cos गोटे रही cos x by sin square x into dx. So sin by cos हम 10 हो a into tan x 1 by cos रहिबो sec हो into dx b plus b cos by sin गोटे cot हो आ गोटे 1 by sin है cosec है cosec x dx. Okay, so integration of sec x into tan x यार फॉर्मूला होची tan x into sec रो फॉर्मूला होची tan x into sec x रो इंटीग्रेशन फॉर्मूला होची sec x a sec x प्लस बी इंटू यार फॉर्मूला कॉट एक्स इंटू कोसेक एक्स इंटीग्रेशन होची माइनस कोसेक एक्स प्लस सी. So the answer is A sec x minus B cosec x plus c. This is question number 11. Now question number 12. This is integration of 1 plus sin 2x. 1 plus sin 2x रो फॉर्मूला होची cos x plus sin x whole square root over. So this is equal to what? Cos x plus sin x integration dx. Cos ro integration sin x, sin ro integration minus cos x plus c. This is question number 12. Now question number 13. Answer of question number 13. Answer of question number 13. 12 complete. Now 13. So question number 13, integration 1 minus cos 2x dx. तो यार फॉर्मूला होची 1 minus cos 2x रेतिक फॉर्मूला होची स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2 sin square x dx. सो रूट 2 हो जिवो एठी रूट 2 आगो sin square root over ले sin x dx. सो रूट 2 into integration of sin x minus cos x plus c. So this is equal to minus root 2 into cos x plus c. This is question number 13. Now question number 14. Question number 14. Its answer is integration of 1 plus cos 2x dx. एतिकर फॉर्मूला होची 2 cos square x root over dx. ये रूट 2 कांस्टेंट आगे आसीबो रूट ओवर cos square x मींस cos x dx. cos x रो इंटीग्रेशन होजी sin x plus c. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 कंप्लीट. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. Now question number 15. Answer of question number 15. Integration of cos 3x into cos 2x plus sin 3x into sin 2x divided by 1 minus cos square x dx. cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. cos a minus b. a बदल रहे 3x, b बदल रहे 2x. So cos of 3x minus 2x 1 minus cos square x means sin square x dx. So this is equal to cos x by sin square x dx. So this is equal to cos by sin means cot x and 1 by sin means cosec x. तो cot and cosec रो इंटीग्रेशन होची minus cosec x. So this is equal to minus cosec x plus c. This is answer. Then question number 15 over. Now question number 16. Now question number 16, that is a cot x plus b tan x whole square into dx. So this is dx. Okay, so apply a plus b whole square. A square, this is cot square x plus b square, this is tan square x plus 2ab cot x into tan x whole integration. So this is equal to what? A square cot square x plus b square tan square x plus 2ab tan x into cot x is equal to 1 whole integration dx. आमे cot square x रो इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्ट जान ना आउ tan square x रो इंटीग्रेशन डायरेक्ट हमको जाना नहीं. आकु ब्रेक करियो पड़ो cos स्क्वायर रे, आकु ब्रेक करियो पड़ो sec स्क्वायर. तो a स्क्वायर टा रहिला ए स्क्वायर इंटू कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 1 कौन पाई ना कॉट स्क्वायर एक्स आमको इंटीग्रेशन जना नहीं ताकू कोसेक स्क्वायर ब्रेक करबा पड़ियो सिमिलरली बी स्क्वायर इंटू 10 डाको सेक स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस 1 प्लस 2ab होल इंटू dx सो एटा मल्टीप्लाई कले दौजी ए मल्टीप्लाई कले ए स्क्वायर टा रहिबो कोसेक स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इंटू सेक स्क्वायर एक्स दिस इज सेक स्क्वायर एक्स माइनस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab होल इंटू dx integration. Now a square b square, this is a square common, a square into cos square x, a square into cos square x, okay, and this is equal to plus b square into this is dx, okay, dx plus b square common and this is sec square x dx and this is minus a square minus b square minus 2ab, this is minus common a square plus b square minus 2ab common into dx, okay. So this is equal to what, a square derivative integration of cos square x minus cot x plus b square integration of sec square x tan x and this is minus of a minus b whole square derivative of x dx means x plus c. So this is equal to what, this is equal to minus a square cot x plus b square tan x minus this is equal to what, minus this is a square cot x b square tan x minus a minus b whole square x plus c. This is answer, okay. Now answer of question number 17. Now answer of question number 17. This is 1 by 1 plus sin x into dx. आपको rationalize करियो पड़ियो. Rationalize केमती हबो ना 1 minus sin x divide by 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. So it is equal, this is equal to 1 minus sin x divide by 1 minus sin square x integration dx. So this is equal to 1 minus sin x by 1 minus sin square x means cos square x dx. एबे सेपरेट करो 1 by cos square x dx minus sin x by cos square x dx. 1 by cos square means sec square x integration sec square x dx. sin by cos होची tan गोटे 1 by cos होची sec dx. So dx here, derivative of sec square x tan x and derivative of sec x to tan means sec x. Formula only, r formula, the integration of tan into sec, integration of tan x into sec x integration of sec square x केते tan x. यार formula use हला. This is question number 17. Now question number 18. Solution of question number 18. Okay. So this is equal to 1 minus sin x divided by cos square x. आपको separate कर दियो. 1 by cos square x formula आसे जो हम sec square x minus dx minus sin x by cos square, ये भी formula आसे जीवो. तो 1 by cos square means integration this is sec square x dx, sin by cos होची tan x, 1 by cos होची sec x dx. तो integration of sec square x means tan x Integration of tan into sec means sec x plus c. This is question number 18. Okay, question number 18 over. Question number 17 over. Now question number 19. So 19, what is question number 19? Cos x divided by 1 minus cos x dx. आपको rationalize कर दियो. Cos x 1 plus cos x by 1 minus cos x into 1 plus cos x. कौन कले फॉर्मूला आसीबो सेटा होची इंपोर्टेंट. सो एटा होची cos x plus cos square x divided by 1 minus cos square x dx. 1 minus cos square x माने sin square x. So cos x by sin square x dx integration cos square x by sin square x. एटा sin square x कौन पे लिखली ना 1 minus cos square x माने sin square x ताको सेपरेट कली. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू cot x into cosec x integration dx and this is equal to cos square x by sin square x means cot square x. cot square x रो इंटीग्रेशन हमको जाना नहीं ताको cosec square ब्रेक करियो पड़ियो. ओके, सो दिस इज इक्वल टू and cosec cot into cosec x integration minus cosec x and this is equal to what? Integration of cosec square x minus 1. Cosec square x minus 1 into dx. So this is equal to minus cosec x. Cosec square x रो इंटीग्रेशन होची minus cot x 1 रो इंटीग्रेशन होची x तो minus 1 होची minus x plus c. Okay, this is question number 19. This is equal to sign. Okay, not equal to here. This is equal to sign. This is equal to and this is equal to. Correct. So this is the answer of 19. Now question number 20. Question number 19 is over. Now question number 20 answer e to the power 6 log x base e plus e to the power 5 log x base e divided by e to the power 4 log x base e e to the power 3 log x base e into ds. We know e to the power m into log x base e is equal to x to the power m. This is the formula. Okay, so this is equal to what? E to the x to the power 6 x to the power 5 x divided by x to the power 4 plus x to the 3 dx. A to common बाहरिबो x to the 5 common बाहला. This is equal to x plus 1. A to x to the 3 common बाहरिबो. This is x plus 1 into dx. So ये cancel हला. Integration what? X square dx that is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer of question number 20. Now another questions. Then another 10 questions. Answer of question number 21. So this is equal to what? Question number 21. Cos inverse sin x dx. Cos inverse अच्छी sin टाको मते cos करियो पड़ियो. तो कौन हबो cos inverse integration of cos inverse sin टाको मते cos करियो पड़ियो. तो लिखि परियो cos pi by 2 minus x dx. So this is equal to integration of pi by 2 minus x into dx. So pi by 2 constant ds integration x minus x अच्छी. So x square by 2 plus c. This is answer. This is question number 21. So question number 22 is cot inverse. This is cot inverse cosec x plus cot x. okay, dx. So this is equal to cot inverse 1 by sin x, this is cos x by sin x dx. So this is equal to cot inverse 1 plus cos x by sin x. एटा कार फॉर्मूला 1 plus cos x by cot x by 2 रो फॉर्मूला. This is equal to cot inverse, this is integration dx, and its formula is cot x by 2. Its formula is what? Cot x by 2 dx. This is equal to what? Integration of x by 2 dx. 1 by 2 constant, r integration x integration होचे x square by 2 plus c. So 1 by 4 into x square plus c. This is answer. X 1 by 4 x square plus c. This is answer of question number 22. Now question number 23. Now answer of question number 23. This is what? Integration 5 by root over 1 minus x square dx plus what? Plus 7 by 1 minus x square whole dx. तो 5 टा कांस्टेंट आगे लिखिबा. इंटीग्रेशन 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx. 7 कांस्टेंट फर्स्ट लिखिबा. 1 by this is root over 1 minus, question is root over 1 minus x square. The question will be root over 1 minus x square. The question is here 1 plus x square, right? So this is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square into dx. So यार फॉर्मूला होची 5 into यार फॉर्मूला होची sin inverse x रे, यार फॉर्मूला होची tan inverse x plus c. This is question number 23. Now question number 24. This is root over, this question number 24, root over x square minus 1 x square by root over 1 minus x square. See, this may be what? 1 minus x square. Okay, the question will be question number 24. Make correction it. This will be 1 minus x square. So this will be what? 1 minus x square. This is equal to 1 minus x square and dx. So take LCM here. LCM root over 1 minus x square, and this is 1 minus x square plus x square dx. Plus x square minus x square cancel. So this is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x square into ds. एटा का फॉर्मूला? sin inverse x रो फॉर्मूला plus c. This is question number 24. Now question number 25. Now question number 25. Its answer is integration x fourth plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 2 divided by x square plus 1 into dx. आर पावर बड़ा अच्छी डिविजन मेथड कल हम और गोटे सेटिंग करवा x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 केमती कटियो सेन कले इजी हम. डिवाइड कल तो लेंदी प्रोसेस हो, बट डिविजन प्रोसेस इज द जनरल प्रोसेस. आ सेटिंग जदि हो पानी तुम एटा को डिविजन करो एथरे. ओके, जब सेटिंग कर सर्टकट रही पार मत कौन कले x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कैंसल हम. तो मुझे लिखिपारि x फोर्थ जगह पाखे x स्क्वायर एंड x क्यू जगह पाखे x क्यू लिखी प्लस 2 टा ला लिखी. ओके, डिवाइड बाई ए दुटा भितर कॉमन, ए दुटा भितर कॉमन x स्क्वायर बाहर हो जाए हूँ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1. सो कौन हम ये देख एठू x स्क्वायर बाहर कॉमन. सो x स्क्वायर कॉमन हेले x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है. ये x गोटे कॉमन बाहर x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है प्लस 2 डिवाइड बाई x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 dx. तो एबे कौन करिवो ना ए सब सेपरेट कर दियो. सेपरेट कले x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 बाई x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 dx x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 dx. दिस इज 2. ओके, सो 2 कॉमन आनबी 1 बाई x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 इंटू dx. सो x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कैंसल है, ये x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 कैंसल है. ओके, रहा x स्क्वायर रहा x स्क्वायर रहिले यार इंटीग्रेशन केते हबो x स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेशन है x क्यूब बाई 3. ये x अच्छी आर इंटीग्रेशन कौन हम x स्क्वायर बाई 2. एडी 2 एटा कार फॉर्मूला tan inverse x formula 2 tan inverse x plus c. This is answer. This is question number 25. Now another question number 25, 24 over, 25 over, 23 over. Now question number 26. Question number 26. So answer of the question number 26. This is x square root over x square minus 1 divided by here plus here x cube into root over x square minus 1 dx. आपको सेपरेट कर दियो x square by x cube. This is x square, sorry, this is x cube into root over x square minus 1 dx. एटा अच्छी root over x square minus 1 divided by s cube into root over x square minus 1 into dx. एटा x square कटले रहिला x square कैंसिल रहिला केते 1 by x into root over x square minus 1 dx. एटी कैंसिल हला ओले x cube रहिला माने x to the power minus 3 into dx. Okay, so this is equal to the formula of first term sec inverse x and this is plus x to the minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1 plus c. So this is equal to sec inverse x x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c. So this is equal to sec inverse x minus 1 by 2 x square plus c. This is answer. Okay, सेपरेट कराला एटा बाय एटा तो x कटिला एठी x into root over x square minus 1 हले sec inverse x फॉर्मूला एंड एटा कैंसिल हला रहला 1 by x cube माने कोन x to the minus 3. So minus 3 plus 1 माने minus 2 रहला minus 2. So minus, this is answer. Question number 26 is over. Now question number 27. Now question number, we'll discuss question number 27. So answer of question number 27. So what is question number 27? Given f dash x is equal to p sin x plus q cos x. Okay, so f of x is equal to what? This is, and f of f dash 0 is equal to 4, f of 0 is equal to 2. This is given, and also f of pi by 2 is equal to what? F of pi by 2 is equal to 3. So f of x means what? Integration of f dash x ds. So integration of p sin x plus q cos x into dx. So this is equal to what? F of x is equal to minus p cos x plus q sin x plus c. Okay, but f of 0 is equal to what? F of 0 is equal to, given f of 0 equal to 2. This is given. So put f of 0 is equal to f dash, and what is f dash? F dash 0 equal to 4, f dash 0 equal to 4, and f of 0 equal to what? F of 0 is equal to, here f of 0 is equal to 2. So function re 0 पकड़ दे f of x cos 0 कहते, that implies p into cos 0 1 sin 0 0 plus c is equal to 2. Okay, so this is equal to minus p plus c is equal to 2. Equation 1. Again f dash 0 equal to 4. Again f dash 0 is equal to what? 4. तो f dash रे पकड़ दियो f dash 0, f dash extra देचेतगी. So p into 0 plus q into cos 0 1 is equal to 4. So q is equal to 4. Okay, again what given? This is question number f of, again f of pi by 2 is equal to what? 3. Again f of pi by 2 is equal to एफ ऑफ पाई बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 3 तो फंक्शन रे पाई बाई 2 पकई दियो फंक्शन माने कोटा एटा दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस पी cos 90 हला 0 एंड प्लस क्यू sin 90 होची 1 प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट प्लस सी इज इक्वल टू 3 so 0 this is equal to 0 q plus c is equal to 3 this is equation number 1 this is equation number 2 this is equation number 3 so q equal to 4 हेले q equal to 4 हेले देखो q 4 पकड़ दियो now 4 this from this 4 plus c is equal to 3 that implies c is equal to what minus 1 c is equal to minus 1 तो c is equal to minus 1 हेले c is equal to minus 1 okay c is equal to minus 1 now put in equation 1 now put c is equal to minus 1 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 in equation 1 तो minus p minus 1 is equal to 2 so minus p is equal to what 3 so p is equal to minus 3 okay so minus p minus 1 is equal to 2 minus p equal to 3 so p equal to minus 3 c value जणा हला now q is equal to 4 this is q equal to 4 so therefore f of x is equal to what therefore f of x is equal to therefore f of x is equal to therefore f of x is equal to from this therefore f of x is equal to what f of x is equal to f of x is equal to here f of x is equal to p means what is the value of p is equal to minus 3 so p minus p cos 3 minus p means minus of minus 3 say what is cos x here cos x and what is value of q is 4 into sin x and what is value of c is equal to what value of c equal to minus 1 so the f of x is equal to 3 cos x plus 4 sin x minus 1 this is answer of question number 27 so question number 27 is over now question number 28 this is answer of question number 27 answer of question number या पर एटा पर एठी लिखियो पड़ियो ओके एटा सरला पर एठी होस लिखाइछ एटा लिखियो पड़ियो नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 28 एटा 2005 आउट 2010 रे आसला बोर्ड एग्जाम रे and this is what integration of derivative of f of x means what answer is integration of one more question this is integration of derivative of f of x means f of x plus c and integration and its derivative that is f of x so answer is plus fx minus fx cancel answer is c where c is a constant c is a constant this is answer now question number 29 question number 29 is that question number 29 if f dash x is equal to e to the x plus 1 by 1 plus x square f of 0 equal to 1 find f dash x this is question number 29 f dash okay this is question number 29 now solution is we know f of x is equal to integration f x ds. So this is equal to f of x is equal to integration of e to the x plus 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. So this is equal to implies f of x is equal to e to the x plus tan inverse x plus c. But given f of 0 is equal to 1, so put 0, e to the 0 plus tan inverse 0 plus c is equal to 1. E to the 0 means what? 1. Tan inverse 0 means 0. And this is c. F of 0 equal to 1. So this is equal to 1. That implies c is equal to 0. Therefore f of x is equal to what? E to the power x plus tan inverse x and c is equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay. So f of 0 equal to e to the 0 means 1. Tan inverse 0 means 0. So plus c is equal to 1. This is 1. Plus 1 cancel, c equal to 0. So this is the answer of question number 29. Now question number 30. This is question number 30. Answer. We know f of x is equal to integration of f dash x dx. So that implies f of x is equal to integration of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 into dx. So that implies f of x is equal to 3 into x cube by 3 plus 2 into x square by 2 plus integration of 1 means x plus c. So 3 cancel, 2 cancel. Now f of x is equal to what? X cube plus x square plus x plus c. Given f of 0 is equal to 1. So x dash 0 पकड़ दियो 0 0 0. So f of 0 is equal to 1. So 0 0 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c is equal to 1. That implies c is equal to 1. Okay. Now f of x is equal to what? F of x is equal to x cube plus x square plus x plus c means what? 1. Now f of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 square plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is equal to what? 8 4 12 ये 3 15. This is 15. These are the solutions of 30 questions today we are discussed. Okay, then in next class we will discuss derivative of integration of function using substitution method. This is the concept we will discuss in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.